Gil, how about over at VA? I know there's a whole bunch of activity going on over there. I think every veteran is delighted to hear that you're using these advanced technologies to sort of further that capability and deliver those services. Tell us what's happening at VA.
Yes, so there's a lot going on, and I think when we think about some of the ways that we're going about looking at that and leveraging that, we're creating and leveraging the national strategy. So that's involving collecting and creating different use cases. There's the data analytics work group of the Data Governance Council has been a way to engage and work toward an AI strategy as well, and to gather inputs from different offices and work together. There's also recently been a framework on trustworthy AI that came out nationally, and that across agencies, and we're defining that for what it means and how it can be leveraged regarding veterans and use cases there. So there are kind of three areas that we're working on overall and across different offices that making progress in that I've seen in the last few months that are going to enable AI going forward, and these include a number of different ways and platforms for computing, which is important, for artificial intelligence, so that different types of use cases can be taken on compared to what may have been possible in the past. Another area is developing the workforce, both internally as well as recruiting from externally. That's very important to actualizing and then eventually implementing these results. And of course, as was mentioned by one of the panelists, data is quite important, and information derived from that data. And so leveraging that within the VA and finding ways of doing so that protects the privacy of veterans, whether it be when that data and different models are used around these different use cases, is important as well. And then as we look forward, there's a number of different new approaches and research going on into how those can be used, and then in making sure that work can go very seamlessly into piloting and deploying, so that those benefits can be seen as soon as possible. We've stood up the AI Tech Sprint as one way to do that, to work with industry on priority issues for veterans and with veterans input, and also a veteran engagement board. So those are some of the areas that we're starting to make progress on, and seeing some initial results as well.